Hello, welcome to TelecomTV, reporting from Mobile World Congress 2014, and I'm talking with Lloyd Mayhew. One of the things that's happened between 2013 and 2014 has been a massive emphasis on SDN and NFV, Network Functions Virtualization. What NFV applications is HP showcasing at the HP booth here at the show?
So I'll just run down quickly what we're showing and our partners. So the first ETSI use case is virtualization of infrastructure as a service, and HP along with Intel did a proof of concept with Verizon. The next ETSI function is a network function. It's a virtualized function as a service, and Sonus Networks, who's a partner of HP's, they virtualized their session border controller. So we're showing that here as part of a unified communications demo. The third ETSI use case is network functions virtualization with a platform as a service. And HP has a product which we call the MSC, which is a multimedia services environment. And what we're showing on that is how a service provider could deploy that in an NFV environment and then have their customers, enterprise customers, run applications on top of that platform. Use case number 4 is what's called a forwarding graph. So as you move things to a virtualized environment, you need to sort of have the packets be routed from one application to another and so forth. The next one is the ETSI NFV use case number 5, which is a virtual EPC, Evolved Packet Core, the next generation of the mobile core network. There's the a virtualized mobile core network, or mobile core or RAN, radio access network, I should say. And so Wind River has put together sort of a prototype and a demo of this using their open virtualization platform. The final demonstration we have in our booth is a CDN, a content delivery network. HP has a virtualized CDN. We're demonstrating that here. So,
well, it's a lot and well remembered, I say, for getting all 8 of them.
Thank you. I spent a lot of time with it.
It's early days, I know, because this is only the end of the first day of the show, and there's another nearly 4 to go. But so far, what's the customer response been like to these ETSI
cases?
There's
a huge interest within the industry around NFV. When I talk to some of the demo folks in our staff, both our partners and HP, they've noted to me a number of times how that customers are now understanding this is real, it's deployable. They're very impressed, especially the things around the virtual EPC, how easy it appears to be to install, deploy, and manage these new applications. And they're starting to realize there are benefits of them as well, I think, as it goes forward.
Which NFV applications will be deployed first, do you think?
I think they're the applications which will be deployed first appear to be the ones at the edge of the network. Those are going to be the first, in my estimation, ones to be deployed with an virtualized and rolled out. Yeah.
And as we see the converged, evolving network transmuting before our eyes, what do you think are the absolute basic building blocks of that change, the fundamentals that need to be in place? What in your opinion are they, do you think?
The fundamentals to building. So I think our service providers want a common hardware infrastructure on that. They need an infrastructure which uses the IT cost model. They need an infrastructure that it has the management tools and capabilities which more along the IT industry. In my perspective, it's not that widely shared on that one perhaps. You need the stack environment, which is suited for the service provider environment. You have to manage this with the cost efficiency of an IT network and still have all the functionality, capabilities, reliability, availability that you get from today's OSS systems.
So it's not an easy ask.
NFV is a huge opportunity for everyone, and there's costs to enter, right? The game, right? That's my view of it.
A final question to you, Lloyd. You talked in some detail about the ETSI use cases.
Yes.
What are the next steps for those following on from this?
So I think a lot of them are going to go to deployment. So deploy it quickly, reliably. They want to provision it and put policies around it. isolated and scaled up and down. Things which are going to take a longer time in my estimation to roll out are applications such as the forwarding graph we've got here, which really ties in SDN as well as NFV, and especially if you start using that more in the core of the network, right? Where you've got more operations considerations, more reliability considerations right here. Yeah.
Lloyd, it's a pleasure to see you again.
Oh, thank you very much. It's been a pleasure talking with you again.